Today is August 31st, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull Spilotro back with News BTC for another technical analysis update. I'm also back with a whole lot of nothing. Prices aren't really moving, and we're still waiting for the monthly close at the end of the day today. While Bitcoin continues to hang on by just a rope, let's take a look at some other charts on the monthly side. First, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is clearly a lot more bullish on the monthly time frame than Bitcoin is. The market is convinced that the upcoming merge is a catalyst for much higher prices. If this next monthly chart looks like a mix of Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'd be right. It's a total cryptocurrency market cap chart. Like Ether, the total cryptocurrency market cap chart looks a lot more bullish than Bitcoin, holding at a support level much higher than former all-time high resistance. Due to the high correlation with tech stocks, I took a look at the NDX to see how that was looking. This too is holding on by a thread, but is still holding above support. The SPX looks exactly the same, holding above another support level, which could be helpful for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The downtrend won't stop until the DXY says it does. It too on the monthly side is facing resistance and could be the final turning point for the dollar. I went back and forth between two different topics today and ultimately decided, why not both? So we're also looking at some cyclical behavior in Bitcoin over the ages. At first, we're going to look at the ADX, which has always started a new bullish trend each time the ADX rose above 20. The only time there was a discrepancy was in March 2020 when the ADX fell briefly once again below 20, but again rising above it created another bull trend. The ADX just rose above 20 for the first time. The Fisher transform highlights when turning points have happened on the chart much more clearly. Currently, the Fisher transform has flipped bullish and has done so around the same point throughout history of Bitcoin. Reaching extreme oversold conditions on weekly time frames using the RSI has always put in a bottom on Bitcoin in the past. The only time there was a strange discrepancy was when there was a hidden bullish divergence at the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market of 2014 and 2015. We could get another situation like this with the double bottom, so beware. Finally, for our last chart, we're looking at the weekly stochastic. Each time Stoch fell below oversold conditions and then rose back above it, resulted in a large bull run. That's it for this week's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro for News BTC. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment. Until next time, stay safe out there, and remember, self-education is the best investment you can make.